You chose Claude.ai, the simplest path. No terminal, no downloads. Just connect Claude.ai to tip.services with our MCP connector. 7 steps, all in your browser. Let's go! Step 1. Generate your API key. On the developer page, click Create My Key. This key is your personal login for tip.services. Save it somewhere safe. You'll need it in a moment. Step 2. Generate your OAuth credentials. Click Create OAuth Client, and you'll get a client ID and a secret. Copy both of them. These let Claude.ai securely connect to your account. Step 3. Head to Claude.ai. Open Settings, and click on Connectors. You'll see your existing connections here. At the bottom, click Add Custom Connector. Step 4. Give your connector a name, like tip.services, and paste the connection URL shown below. Then open Advanced Settings and enter your client ID and client secret from Step 2. Hit Add. Step 5. A login screen will appear. Enter the API key from Step 1 and click Access. This links Claude.ai to your tip.services account. Step 6. Go to Configure and set it to Always Allow. This way, Claude.ai won't ask permission every time it uses your study tools. And that's it. You're connected. Pro tip. In Chrome, right-click a tab and merge it side by side. Put tip.services on the left and Claude.ai on the right. Now you can follow your courses and chat with your AI tutor at the same time. And you're connected. Claude.ai is now your personal AI tutor. It can access your courses, explain concepts, track your progress, and quiz you. All from your browser. No installs needed. If you haven't done it yet, pause me and follow each step. Less than 5 minutes. Once you're connected, head back to the course and keep learning. Let's go!